Hey everybody, so I got a new wagon from VEVOR. This is a garden wagon. Now VEVOR, they've been around for a while. Their slogan is tough tools, half the price. And I really do like their tools. I do have a lot of them. The wheels are inflatable, and these do allow you to go over a lot more ground compared to a lot of the smaller wagon wheels. The front end will do pretty much a 360 for turning, which is pretty nice. As for assembly, this took me like 5 minutes to put together. Doesn't take very long at all. Now, one feature that I really like about this wagon, though, is that it has a dump feature. And so if you're like full of soil, you're full of whatever it might be, rocks and stuff, you can lift it up with this little latch here, and you can just dump it. And it will go all the way up. Now, I have used this for a lot of things, including even hauling wood. It does hold a decent amount of weight to it. And I do use it to haul around bags of soil and such. But if you're looking for a really good wagon, garden cart, whatever you want to call it, that also has a really nice, easy to use dump feature, definitely consider the VEVOR. For the price range, it works great. I really like it. It holds a decent amount of weight, and it's really easy to put together. Anyway, hopefully this gives you a good idea what to expect with this cart, and if this is something that you would like to get for your garden or yard. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.